Hi, I'm Ley. Welcome to my well-inked unboxing for October/November 2018. Well-inked is a creative and art supply subscription box located in Canada that ships worldwide. It's $25 Canadian plus shipping quarterly instead of a lot of boxes that are monthly and just start taking up space in your house. Not that I'm speaking from experience. The first items I grabbed that were not the quote card, which I will get back to, were two Sakura Pigma pens. The first is a Micron in 005, which has a 0.20mm line width. The second is a Graphic 1, which has a bullet tip in 1mm. I love Pigma Microns. They are my favorite waterproof pens ever of all time, but it has been a while since I've had one. Next is a bottle of Royal Talon's Ecoline Liquid Watercolor in 506, which is Ultramarine Deep. It's basically watercolor in an ink format, which you can apply water to, I'm guessing, the same as watercolor. This is followed by an Ecoline brush pen in 601 Light Green, which is the brush pen version of the liquid watercolors. I've never tried any of these before, or really tried anything like them. Last in the box is a pencil case made by Blue Q. Every well-inked box features an item made by a local artisan or a small business. In this case, this pencil case is made from 95% recycled materials, and a portion of all sales is donated to support environmental initiatives. They have a ton of super dang cute pencil cases on their website, as well as everything from lip balm to socks to tote bags, all in this really fun kind of vintage style. I kind of arranged everything on my desk to get an idea of what to do, and then I decided to read the back of the menu card that came with the box. I'll include a better shot of it here for you to read as well. If you watched my last well-inked video, I may have mentioned the lack of a waterproof pen so far in any of the boxes. As with all these videos, I do try to reuse well-inked items I've received in the past, and I guess I was their inspiration for including the Sakura Pigma pens, so thank you, well-inked. Sakura Pigma pens are hands down my favorites, and at last, we have been reunited. So my very first thought when it came to what to do with all these supplies was to do a mermaid, like to draw it and paint it like a normal art video. But then, the colors spoke to me in a different way because they match the super quickly done, super basic novel cover I did for my NaNoWriMo novel this month. I decided to do a NaNoWriMo tracker for the month, and I'm going to be honest, I'm sure you can probably already tell, but I cheated and I used InDesign to create the table for the tracker. I'm kind of a perfectionist, so I knew if I just drew it, I'd get super obsessive with the dimensions and making sure everything was perfect. I printed the tracker form part on 6x9 B watercolor paper, and I got started sketching and then using the Pigma pens to fill in the header bar, the dates, and all of the goals. NaNoWriMo stands for National Novel Writing Month. It's basically like Inktober, but for writing, and it takes place in November. The official Nano goal is to write a 50,000 word novel in 1 month, but as you can kind of see, I have 2 goals this month, sort of. My tracker contains a column for the date, a column for the words written that particular day, a column for the total words written so far, and then 2 goal columns. One has all the totals I should reach if I want to hit 50k words in the month, and one has all the totals I should reach if I want to hit 76k. This is actually my 10th year doing NaNoWriMo. If you look at my profile on their site, it keeps record of all of my word totals over the years. My lifetime word count for the past 9 years is 424,034 words, which means to reach a lifetime word count goal or word count amount of 500,000, this year I need to write 75,966 words, or rounded up 76k words. My wordiest novel is also the first novel I wrote for NaNoWriMo, which was 75k, so if I can hit 76k, I'll also surpass, I can English, that. Can I do it? I'm not really sure. That's why I included the goals for 50k just in case. That first novel I wrote was done when I didn't have a job, so I literally wrote non-stop for the whole month straight. But in months I've won Nano, because I don't always win, I've managed to write between 60k and 70k, so we will just have to see. So back to the supplies. This box is probably my favorite of all the boxes we have ever received. I might be biased because my name is printed on the menu card, or it might be because I love the color selection I ended up with, or it might just be because of what's in this box. I don't know. But I had a ton of fun working on this tracker. I even ended up using a Uni-Posca pen in green and a Unisigno white gel pen, which were both from previous well-inked boxes, for the header. So aside from the part where I printed it in InDesign and I did use pencil to sketch out the header, everything else is from well-inked. Oh, except for the tape. I guess now they have to put tape in. This is my finished NaNoWriMo tracker. I did finish this before Nano started, even if this video is going up a couple days into the month. Do you do NaNoWriMo? If so, please feel free to add me as a writing buddy and let me know down below in the comments if you do. I will definitely friend back anyone who does. I hope you found this video fun, even if it was just me rambling about writing and not about art. Even though I'm writing this month, I have a lot of paint swatching videos coming up. Please subscribe if you haven't, and maybe even ring that notification bell in the hope something will happen. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!